In today's video, I'm going to teach you best Stremio add-ons. To get started, open the Stremio app on your device. Since you're already logged in, you can go straight into the main interface without needing to enter any account details. Give the app a moment to fully load so everything appears correctly before moving on. This helps avoid any delays when navigating through the menu. Once you're on the main screen, head over to the Add-ons section. You can usually do this by clicking the Add-ons tab or by selecting the puzzle-shaped icon in the sidebar. This area is where Stremio lets you manage the tools and extensions that expand what the app can do. If you're new to Stremio, this is one of the most useful sections to become familiar with. After that, open the Add-ons catalog. This is the place where the available add-ons are displayed for you to explore. Think of the catalog as the library where Stremio organizes the different add-ons you can install. Opening this section gives you access to the options currently available inside the app. Now take some time to browse the available add-ons. Scroll through the list shown in the catalog and look at what's offered. Depending on your version of Stremio and your device, the catalog may show different categories or layouts, so move through it carefully and read the names of the add-ons as you go. This step is useful because it helps you understand what's available before installing anything. When you find one that interests you, select the add-on by clicking on it. This opens the details page, where you can usually see more information about what the add-on does. It's always a good idea to review this page before installing, just so you know exactly what you're adding to your Stremio setup. Next, press the Install button. Once you click it, wait for the installation process to complete. In most cases, this only takes a few moments. Try not to close the app or navigate away too quickly while it installs, so the process can finish properly. After the installation is done, confirm that it worked by checking your installed add-ons list. You want to make sure the add-on now appears there, which tells you it has been added successfully and is ready to use. Finally, return to the home screen. Go back to the main interface, where you can view and access your installed add-ons as part of your Stremio experience. From there, you're ready to start using them. Thanks for watching.